everybody, welcome to my channel, and I am Gagan ma'am showing you how to make this fish. It's a very simple little fish which we are going to make with origami sheets. And what are origami sheets? It's a square sheet like this, a craft paper. So we're going to create this fish out of this. How do we start? First thing, my sheet is white from one side and orange from one side. So I'll put the white part up, fold it into a triangle like this, make a crisp line here with my nail like this. Right? Now I'll open the sheet again. I'll make another triangle on the other two corners like this, hold it here. Make sure that the triangle is a proper triangle and the corners are matched with one another, because in the end the shape does matter. Alright, now again when you open the sheet, what do you need to do? We have a cross here. Now we need to fold it like a rectangle. So we're going to join two corners, this and this, with the other two opposite corners, and again make a crisp line out of it here. Open the sheet again. Now we are only left with one more fold of a rectangle. Go back again, opposite corners join with each other, fold it properly, and here we go. Now what have we ended up with? We've ended up with a cross and a plus sign. Now what is our main purpose? To highlight this triangle. If we fold it like this, the triangle visible here, we need to bring it out and the corners will go inside. How will we do that? We'll hold it from here, just go like this. See, the lines are solving a purpose now. Why did we do so many folds? So that this folding can happen easily. Now hold it from here and go like this. Fine. Now what have we done? We have made a triangle this side and a triangle this side. Okay. Now we are just left with one last part. We have to fold this edge on this side like a triangle again. See, there's a triangle being formed. And same thing we'll do with the other part. Make sure you do crisp lines so that it stays where we are folding it. The other part will also come here on it like this. We might do a mistake. See, this triangle has to be properly defined. Yeah, that way. Now I go on the opposite side and voila, the folding part is over. As soon as I turn my fish over, it's already done. All I need to do is I'll take a marker and I can make the eye. You can use a sketch pen or a black pen also. Here we've done the eye. Now we can give expressions to our fish. It can be happy, it can be sad, it can be frowny. So I'm making a happy fish here. Just add a smile and it's done. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you can make one for yourself. I have made two happy fish and I do have a frowny fish also. Here, see? So we've done a good job here. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.